Welcome. Today in front of me Meizu M5s, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and right there tap to the sounds and vibrations section. Here we get the notification volume panel. Just to mute your notifications, swipe this blue dot with your finger to the left side, and that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Here on the right side of your device we got the volume buttons. Just tap from one to these volume buttons, and here you will see the triangle icon, and here you get also the notifications panel. And just to mute your notifications, swipe this white dot with your finger to the left side by this way. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.